Can I draw? Definitely. Okay, wait. So, pwede ba lisaan ng mami ko? So, second try. Pwede ba si mami umuwi sa Antipolo? Natural. Can I kiss our baby? Yep. Slave. Kamukha ang tatay. So, can I play? Yes. I'm playing, guys. So, can I take a nap? No. So, my baby is crying? See. So, my mommy is videoing? No. Bro. She's videoing. Wow, naman. Wow. So, our baby's cute? Yep. So, my friends are loyal to me? Yep. My family is loyal to me? Yep. So, my teacher, Jesus loves me? Definitely. So, demons love me? Never. That's true, guys. Our baby loves me. See, yung sabihin ng see, yes. My baby is crying a lot. See, yung mami ko ba lagi ba naiirita sa akin? Yep. My other mommy is nagagalit palagi sa akin. Yep, that's true. My mama love me.
Si Mamila.
My Mamila is
Does Mamila love me?
Does Mamila loves me? Maybe. So she loves me.
Yeah. He give me all his money. And sugar and Prada. My sugar baby. He loves